What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Garrett back with another video. Today we are going out and doing some retail arbitrage. The first stop we're hitting is Nike Unite up in North Scottsdale, Arizona. We're going to hit that store, hopefully get our 30 item max out. And then I worked out a deal with CLARKS shoes, one of the local CLARKS in my area, a big bulk buy. So we're going to pick up a few loads from them today as well. I'll tell you more about that as we go on later in this video. It's a pretty awesome deal that I scored with them, so definitely stay tuned to check that out as well. But let's head up to Nike Unite, try to pick up 30 items, and then we'll go head to CLARKS, and we'll probably hit some like Nike clearance, maybe a Ross or two. We'll see how much time we have left in the day, but let's do this. Let's go. Alrighty, I'll just pull up to the Nike Unite store here in North Scottsdale. About to head in and see what we can find. Let's go. So unfortunately, we weren't able to actually hit 30 items. We only picked up 10 pairs of shoes, 5 of those kind of waffle run shoes. And the cool thing about those is there's no ranking. So when you scan them, it just looks like there's no ranking. So a lot of people were passing on them. But when you click on the listing, they have 566 reviews. So I know those sell because I've sold them in the past as well. So I picked up 5 pairs of those. Gonna make around 30 bucks profit on each. So it's about 150 bucks profit. Picked up 5 more pairs of this one like women's TR something shoe, 35 bucks, 30% off. They're going for a good 70 bucks. So we're going to make another 25, 30 bucks a pair on those. So we could potentially make upwards of 300 bucks off those 10 pairs of shoes just from this one stop. So I'm definitely not complaining about that. In and out in 15 minutes. But we're going to head back down to the other mall, about a 30-minute drive. We're going to hit up CLARKS. I have to pick up my first load. So basically the deal with CLARKS is they were doing there is a company coming in buying about 10,000 pairs because this is the only CLARKS clearance store in the country. And they were selling this company 10,000 pairs of shoes for $10. But since I have such a good relationship with the management there over the past year I've built with them, he kind of vouched for me with the upper kind of executives, I guess, when he went out to a meeting and worked out a deal to where I get first dibs because he knows I can only take the shoes with the full box. $13 a pair. I had to buy at least 1,500 pairs, but at $13 a pair, they're definitely slower moving shoes. But they do sell. A lot of them are like 400,000 or 500,000 rank, but they've been out of stock for a while. They have 1,200 plus reviews. I've sold them in the past. I know they sell. And some of these shoes sell for 70, 80, 90, 100 bucks. So when you're buying all these shoes at a flat $13 rate, doesn't matter which shoe it is, that's the type of deal I'm gonna take advantage of. Even if the sell through takes, 6, 12 months on them, the ROI is 300-400%. So it just makes overall sense, even if it's a little bit of a slower churn. So yesterday I picked up about 400 pairs from them. We're going to do another 400 today, and then another 400 tomorrow, 400 the next day. And then just throughout the next month, they're just going to keep me at $13 a pair. So all the shipments they get coming in, I'm going to go to one of their off-site locations, scan more shoes. So it's just a really good deal. I could potentially be upwards of 3,000-4,000 pairs of shoes by the time the month is over. And like I said, you don't come across deals like that too often where you're getting shoes for 13 bucks that sell for 70, 80, 90, 100 bucks. So we're going to head that way and see if they have all of our stuff boxed up and pick up the first load. Let's go. Alrighty, y'all, so we just picked up the first 8 cases of CLARKS shoes. Got some packed back here. The back is full, so we're gonna go drop them off, and then we gotta go pick up another load. And I just got a text from one of my managers over at one of the Adidas locations saying they just got a shipment in, so we're gonna go check that out as well. So hopefully we can get more product that way. So we're got a busy day. It's already 1 in the afternoon. So we're gonna go drop this load off, go fill the truck back up, probably have to go back and drop it off, then go hit Adidas, then we'll probably hit the Nike clearance store and just call it a day because we might be running out of time. But that's what it's looking like so far. I'm definitely going to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up as well at the end of this video, so make sure you're staying tuned. But yeah, guys, busy, full packed day. Let's go. dropped off that first load of Clarks, and actually I forgot to keep recording, but I just went to Adidas, went through the little shipment they got. They didn't really get much at all, so it's kind of a bit disappointing, but I picked up 5 pairs of shoes and a pair of sandals. So nothing crazy there, maybe $150 profit on that stuff. But we're gonna go right next door to Clarks again, pick up another 8 cases of shoes. Probably run into the Nike clearance store, and then I'll head back to the shop, unload everything, kind of give you guys just a little look at some of the stuff that I've been picking up today. So it's been a busy day. It is currently about 3 p.m. So once I get back, it should be 4:30. And I need to start prepping some of this stuff because I'm gonna be picking up loads of Clarks all week, and I just don't have the space. So it's gonna be a long night too of prepping so I can get a shipment sent out tomorrow. But yeah, I'm not complaining. Let's go. All right, so here's the situation. We got a bunch of Clarks right here. Got all this inventory that just came in as well. Plus we got all this. And my truck is full again. So what that means is I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna put this, because we're picking up another 16 cases, like 16 boxes full of shoes tomorrow. And then Wednesday we're doing a break, and then Thursday and Friday. So Wednesday we're gonna get all these prepped and out with my employee, but I gotta figure out how to set this up in a way that we have space for the 16 more cases tomorrow. So let's get that figured out. So this is what we ended up with, a bunch of boxes just filled with Clarks. Shoes, full box, $13 a piece. These are the Nike shoes we got. These like TR somethings. And then what else did we get from Nike? We got these waffles right there. So 10 pairs, and then from Adidas got some more like trail shoes, and then a pair of slides. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we have over here as well more Clarks. More and more Clarks. Alrighty guys, just wrapped up for the day. This is gonna be a multiple part video because I wanna bring you guys along for the ride of just this whole buyout I'm doing with Clarks. It should be a lot of shoes, so it should be pretty fun. So if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. But for this video, that's gonna wrap it up. It's the end of the day, just got home, about to make some food, go on a run, and then call it a day. Yeah guys, I host a free Amazon training every single Sunday, teaching you guys the tactics I personally use and all my students use in our Amazon businesses. So if you're interested, it's completely free. Hit the link in bio, register, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching.